Here in this video, let us solve some problems based on areas of parallelograms and triangles. Now the question goes like this. ABCD is a quadrilateral and BD is one of its diagonals as shown in the figure. Now show that ABCD is a parallelogram and find its area. So let us see how do we go about this problem. Now since diagonal BD intersects transversals AB and DC at B and D respectively, such that angle ABD equals angle CDB. It is already given, which is equal to 90 degrees, and that is because, but there are also, the reason for this is alternate interior angles. So let me write here. Now, since it is alternate interior angles, it can occur only when AB is parallel to DC. So AB is parallel to DC and also AB equals DC. It is already given because each equal to 3 centimeters. So thus, one pair of opposite sides of AB and DC of quadrilateral ABCD are equal and parallel to each other. So hence, ABCD is a parallelogram. Now, let us find the area of the parallelogram. The area of ABC would be, we already read it, base into the corresponding altitude. Base would be AB and corresponding altitude would be BD. So that is nothing but 3 into 4 square centimeters, which is 12 centimeters square or 12 square centimeters. Let us solve another problem. In this problem, we have parallelogram ABCD where AB is equal to 10 centimeters. So let us draw one. We have AB as 10 centimeters and then obviously the opposite side also will be equal, that is DC. So join them both. So we have ABCD. Now what they also say is the altitudes corresponding to the sides AB and AD are respectively 7 centimeters and 8 centimeters. If you take AB as the base, then the altitude will be this one. Say we'll name it DM. If you take AD as the base, then we will have the altitude as this one. So then we have N. So now we have the altitude corresponding to the sides AB is 7 centimeters and this is 8 centimeters. Now what do we have to do? We need to find AD. The length of AD. So now we know that area of parallelogram ABCD equals base into the height. Base would be AB. If the base is AB, then the height would be DM. If the base is, say, CB, then the height would be CN. But then we don't have the measurement of AD or CB, so we need to take AB. So AB into DM. So AB will be equal to 10 centimeters and DM is equal to 7 centimeters, so which makes it 70 centimeters square. Now also we have area of parallelogram ABCD in a different way. We can take it as AD into CN, which is nothing but, we don't know what is AD. We know CN is 8. So AD into 8 centimeters square. Now the area is the same, however you calculate. So therefore we can equate this and this. So we get 8 AD equals 70 centimeters square. So AD equals 70 by 8, which is nothing but 8.75 centimeters. So therefore we found the length of AD, which is 8.75 centimeters. The concept here is we can find the area of parallelogram in two ways, using any side as the base. So when the length of the one base is given, we can find the length of the other base by equating the areas of the same when we find it using these two bases. So that is the concept here.